What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Auto 3 Garage, and welcome to the series. Is it worth it? We are going to be looking at this beautiful 1997 BMW 7 Series sedan. Man, she's looking gorgeous. Anyway, I've seen this on the Facebook market going for $11,500, and I want to get some opinion. Do y'all think it's worth this price? Now, it looks very clean on the outside, body-wise. I don't know what's the inside looking like, but it looked like it's looked pretty fair and clean. We do have 113,000 miles. They say it's not perfect, but maintained and pampered its whole entire life. Fully serviced, everything solid, minor slow leaks. Now we got these Rolls Royce wheels. We got some a lowering kit with the spacers. They would just mainly got like cosmetic things on this car, no like performance. Now I had to look on the Kelly book just to see what would be the average price, it will, turn out to be, rather like from a dealer or a private seller. All right, guys, so these are the other specs on the Kelly book. Now I don't know if this car specifically came with a V8 or V12. It didn't really show in the description or no pictures of the engine bay, but I know these engines, you gotta make sure the cooling hoses and all that is replaced, thermostats and all that, because they notorious to break at a certain amount of mileage. Got a lot of cheap plastics and all that. I know one common issue is with the ignition that I have seen and read about. But overall, comfortable car, nice and settled. Now, we're going to get back to the car on the Facebook market. These are the upgrades. We say the wheels that he added on the car. We're going to say 800 a piece. Be about like 3,200. And then this coilover kit, I'm say about, 1,200, 13 maybe, after tax. Pretty other sick looking BMWs, E38s. Also got the wheel spacers, about, maybe 140, 130. And then the window tint, I don't know, depending on your area and stuff, depending on how they charge. I said about like 450. And I'm put this in the calculator right here. So the car, for the average price, just, as is, 4,300. Then the wheels, 32. And then we have the coilover kit. And then we're going to be having the wheel spacers. And also, we're going to be having the window tint. And then this is going to be like the total price, $9,270. But he want 11 for it. But let me know, it's $11,000 worth for a BMW. They say this car was pampered all his life. It does have reasonable service work. But let me know if would y'all pay $1,100 for this particular BMW. And let me know if y'all had E38s before. Let me know y'all experience with it. They look like pretty cool, nice luxury sedans. I know they're comfortable. Are they reliable? I say in between, but as long as everything is like properly maintained and well kept, the car can go many miles. But anyway, y'all let me know. And what y'all think about the Rolls Royce wheels on this car. It looks pretty sick. It looked like it's fit. It looked like a mobster car, honestly. It just looks so settled, so dope, so gangster. I probably could just use other words and all that, but that's just how I look at the car. It's nice, well-round. Let me know, would y'all daily drive it? I particularly will. It wouldn't be a bad car, to drive around. But I don't think I would pay $11,000 for a BMW. That's my take. Like I said, this car is normally around like 4,300, depending on the condition of the car. If the condition is very poor and all that, probably looking about 1,200 and lower. So yeah, let me know y'all thoughts down below.